Have you ever noticed how many people tell you to create a course by just coming up with A to Z and then some basic methods to accomplish A to Z? Well, that's kind of interesting and it's a nice starting idea, but it really isn't complete when you are trying to create a quality course. It really is not how to design a course. So how do we decide what is a bad strategy if the A to Z isn't right? What is our measure? What exactly do we decide is the right strategy? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's always based on the customer's results. And in this industry, in the creator economy of whether you're a course creator, a trainer, a coach, that the results currently in this industry across all disciplines is fewer than 10% of our customers are getting what we present. So something's amok there, and the only real measure of how we decide to create our courses is all about, did we deliver on our promise? So our customers' results. Now, you may have some other targets. You may have some financial targets. You may have some lifestyle targets for yourself. But the real kicker is, how well did our customers learn what we presented? So what are the big five? The first reason that A to Z doesn't really work is because it's often based on the opinion of the person developing it and their personal interpretation of that experience. It actually is a form of brain dump. That's an approach that you can call it even a stream of consciousness, that what you think or what you believe, you just put out in the order that is logical to you. And there's some goodness in that. There's some people that are real expert, but this basic A to Z approach really is nothing more than, here's what I think. I'll put it in this order that I think it should go in. And it's kind of like a stream of consciousness. And number three, it's organized in a way that makes sense to the presenter, but it's not based on how people learn. And number four, the reason why we don't want to use the simple A to Z outline approach is because outlines are a way to begin course design. They are not a way to complete it. Now, the A to Z approach to designing a course is great for training. And so this is the big number five, but it is not great for how adults learn new ideas, knowledge, attitudes, or beliefs. Well, so if I can tell you what the 5 reasons are why A to Z is not your best approach, well, what is the best practice to create a course? And by course, I mean something where you are hoping someone will learn something new, get a new belief, a new attitude, an idea, a new set of knowledge. Well, the best way are the 4 pillars of educational design. The first is adult learning and understanding how adults learn. Second is curriculum design. Third is the course design. And then fourth is instructional design. A lot of people mix these up. They call curriculum, course, and instructional design all the same thing. Not so. But if you want to learn more, we'll be presenting more little videos like this for you. And also you can hop over to the coursecreationlab.com and learn more about how to develop quality courses.